Friends, in this video we are discussing other important features in Bangalore divisions. We can see educational contribution, health contribution, and some of the freedom fighters, they also came in this period only or in this division. And next one we are discussing in this part in cultural resource, which are the cultural contributions we can find out in this Bangalore division. So these are the matters we are discussing in this session. First of all, we want to know education and health contributions of Bangalore division. So on this, based on education contribution, we can see in this area, in this division, there are so many people, they got the prizes. That only showing, that also national level prizes. So that only showing that in this area, we can see numerous educational contributions. So in that purpose only, we can see so many people, they got the prizes. For example, one of the important award in our nation, that is the topmost award, we can say that one, Bharat Ratna. This Bharat Ratna they got by, there are two important peoples, and another one here they given highest citizen or civilian honor. This also got by in that area peoples. And not only this one, we can see two Nobel prizes, that also physics, in subject of physics. So these are the subject, they got the prizes. This is only showing that in that area, peoples or the division, they give more importance about education. For example, who are the got the awards? So here they given one by one name. For example, Sir M. Vishwesvaraya, next one C.N.R. Rao, next one Sir C.V. Raman. These are the important peoples, they came in this region. Means you can find out in that area, in this area, peoples or that division, we can say there are so much of education centers. So peoples, they got the awards, means they are giving so much of importance about education. So on this way we can see in Bangalore is one of the important center for education. We can see different types of schools, college. In other sectors, areas of education, we can find out in this Bangalore division area. And not only this one, we can see central research organizations, scientific research organizations also we can find out in this region. And not only this one, we can see in Bangalore division, there are top 5 universities we can find out in this region. For example, Bangalore, and they are given Tumkuru, next one Shivamogga, Davangere. These are the important universities. And another one, scientific, science and biotechnology university also we can find out in this region. So this only showing in this area, peoples and division, they are giving more importance about education. This way, government also providing primary and higher education to the peoples. They are supporting to provide education to peoples. On this way, they implemented so many programs. They established private schools also we can find out in this Bangalore division. Not only we can find out government schools also. And not only this one, in this Bangalore divisions, we can see some of the religious centers also. They established it by educational centers in Bangalore division. For example, here they given one by one, one of the best one, Siddhanga Mata. They are providing food as well as education for poor people or poor children. So this is one of the important education centers. And who is took leadership here is one of the important Swamiji. Here they given Sri Shivakumara Swamiji. He took the leadership and he providing free food and education to children. And another Mata also we can see in this Bangalore division, that is Mata Adi Chinchanagiri. This one took leadership by Sri Balangadhar Nath Swamiji, and he also providing education. So this is also one of the important education center in this area. And another one, Muruga Rajendra Mata and Sringeri. See, these are some of the important religious centers. They are providing education to children in Bangalore divisions. And we can see Taralabalu Mata in Chitradurga. This is one of the important. We can see these are the religious centers. They established by not only for high school or primary, no, they established by college, engineering college and medicals. So this only showing that in this area, based on education, the area is full developed, because we can see so many of schools, colleges and religious centers also, they also given so much of importance about education. And next one here they given, and we can see next one about the sector of health. How is the Bangalore division health centers is developed or not? So when we are discussing about health, about the Bangalore division, in this area we can find out the health department is fully forwarded health department. We can see so many of super specialty hospitals in this area, especially in Bangalore. In Bangalore, we can find out there are so many of hospitals. And not only this one, when they came by smallpox or polios on that time, the government and the in Bangalore division peoples, they sincerely and effectively they eradicated by the disease. And present one of the important another disease also we can find out in this region, that is here they given by monkey disease. Monkey disease, majorly this disease is coming in the area of Shimoga, but present our health department also they took some of the remedious measures. On this way we are nowadays some of the measurements also they took. On this way we can find out the numbers of disease now decreased. So this only showing that our Bangalore division's health department is fully forwarded. So next we can see this, like only we can see in our government, in our state government also, to provide a health facility to all over the peoples. So they established it by in rural area also some of the hospitals. That only we are saying primary health centers, because how the urban peoples they getting the facilities in health centers, same that type only rural area peoples also they want to get the health facility. So on this purpose our health department, our state health department also they established it by primary health centers in local level, in panchayat level. So these are the important educations and health centers in Bangalore division. And next one, when you are discussing next one here they given, next one is cultural resource. In our Bangalore division we can see different types of cultural resource. We can see here some of the buildings, we can show the examples for architectures. So these like of architectures or cultures we can find out, or cultural resource we can find out in this region, because we can see in this area there are so many people they are using Kannada language. Culturally this one is very rich language. So on this way we can find out one of the important person here came. The person name is here they given Kengal Hanumantayya, is one of the important chief minister of in this area. He constructed by one of the new cultural resource, that is Vidhana Soudha in Bangalore. So this is one of the important contributions of Kengal Hanumantayya, or we can find out in Bangalore divisions. And in the time another person came, S. Nijalingappa. He also gave one of the important contribution to integrate the states. Some of the area still did not merge with Karnataka, but in that area some of the people they are speaking Kannada but did not merge. So on that time S. Nijalingappa took the leadership and he merged some of the place into Karnataka. So this is also one of the important contributions in this region peoples. And another one of the important person here they given, that person name is Shantaveri Gopala Gowda. He implemented a foundation, the one of the new thoughts or new party, that is socialist, a social movement. Here that only they given Shantaveri, a foundation the socialist movement in Karnataka. On this way, who are till did not get the land, they all are got the land because of Shantaveri Gopala Gowda. He took the leadership and he started to movements, a struggle against state government, because of only who have rich peoples, they only have the hold the lands. Others did not get. So on this way he took the leadership, Shantaveri Gopala Gowda, and when he started to struggle, this news came the level of national level. So when this news is created as a national level, so our state government also took some actions. On this way, some poor peoples also they get the land. So these we can find out some of the cultural movements or cultural resource in this area. In this means in Bangalore division. And not only this one, we can see this only another one, Salu Marada Timmaka. She was one of the important environmental contributions she given. We already knowing about the story of Salu Marada Timmaka. And another one, Anil Kumble, you all are knowing, is one of the best spin bowler. He also came in this area. And B.K.S. Iyengar and Sri Raghavendra Swamiji from Malladhalli. They are contributed the field of yoga. So when we are discussing about cultural contribution or cultural resource, we want to see in Bangalore division, people, they are not concentrated with any one sector. They are not concentrated any one sector. They are given contribution to all the sector. In yoga or the movements, in the other sports field, you can see in education field. So in all over the sectors, Bangalore division peoples, they are given contributions. So these are the important points about cultural resource. Okay, next one we want to know some of the freedom fighters also, they came in this region. We can find out some of the freedom fighters in this region. They struggled so much and they given contribution to India get a freedom. So who are the peoples? Here they given one by one. For example, here K.C. Reddy is the first chief minister of Karnataka. K.C. Reddy is the first chief minister of Karnataka. He also participated in freedom struggle. And not only K.C. Reddy, here they given Kengal Hanumanthaya, he also another one chief minister, and S. Nijalingappa is a socialist. These are the peoples, they participated in freedom struggle movement and they took the leadership and they also given contribution to get a freedom in India. So these are the important peoples. First one is K.C. Reddy, Kengal Hanumanthaya, and another one is S. Nijalingappa. And not only we can see Shantaveri Gopala and Kadidal Manjappa, and they given one by one names that like only Tita Sharma. Next one here they given Bhagirathama. These are the important peoples. Not only the three peoples, we can see Shantaveri Gopala. Next one here Kadidal Manjappa, Tita Sharma and Bhagirathama. These are the important peoples. They also actively participated. Are they given encourage to movement against British? Means Bangalore division peoples, they also actively participated in the field of freedom struggle. And next one here they given, and not only this one, Kengal Hanumanthappa and S. Nijalingappa, they not only participated in freedom struggle, they also participated in integrations of Karnataka. Because of I already told in previous topics in, what is that one? In beginning of when they got India freedom, on that time, what we are seeing, this much of places we did not get. Some of the area still they hold by other states or other kingdoms. So on that time, S. Nijalingappa and Kengal Hanumanthappa, they took the leadership and they motivated the peoples and they started the struggle. So when they started the struggle, which are the place still we did not get. So that and all the place, our central government, they merged with Karnataka state. So after only, we got one of the new name. When we merge this one, these are the matters, when that one process is going on means in 1953. So when these like a peoples, they given contribution as Nijalingappa or Kengal Hanumanthappa. So when they given this like of contribution, our new Karnataka state or Mysore state formed. So these are the important points about freedom struggle. Means there are so many peoples, they participated in freedom struggle. K.C. Reddy, Kengal Hanumanthappa. Next one, here they given S. Nijalingappa, Shantaveri Gopala, Tita Sharma. Next one here that like only they given Bhagirathama. So these are the important peoples, they participated in freedom struggle. So these are the important points about Bangalore divisions. Okay, next class we can discuss about next another important division, that is Mysore division. So that are the points we can discuss in next video. Okay, thank you.